So the next topic of the chapter is division algorithm. It's not a new topic. You also studied in chapter 1, real number, in lemma form. What's a division algorithm? If I say 20 is divided by 3, 3 6 are 18, remainder 2. So you can say 20 is equal to dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is the division algorithm. So what we write here? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. That is division algorithm. In first chapter याद होगा आपको A is equal to BQ plus R. सेम वही चीज है. Here dividend is denoted by P of X. Divisor is denoted by G of X. Quotient Q of X. Remainder R of X. For the condition same, P of X is greater than G of X. R of X is greater or equal to 0 or less than G of X. So same procedure we have to use in the polynomial, just like in lemma. If we take a small example, x cube plus 2x plus 4 divided by x plus 2. छोटा सा example. So find the quotient and remainder. A simple question. So directly this x cube plus 2x plus 4 is divided by x plus 2. So what things? First thing in division, you always write the dividend divisor both in descending order form on the basis of the power of the terms. 3 degree, 1 degree, 2, 0 degree, 1 degree, 0 degree. Then power maximum x cube. So what you multiply by this in x, you get x cube. x में किससे मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे x cube मिल जाए. Always we want the same things, same power, same sign with same coefficient. So here coefficient is 1, so doesn't matter. X square. So we take x square times x square into x, we get x cube. My first term is complete. The first term is same with sign plus sign. X square multiplied by 2, that is 2x square. No any terms like term as x square. So we write down the separate outside. Sign change, subtract as you do in division. Cancel out, always cancel. Then 2x plus 4 and minus 2x square. We again write in descending order. Then what do you want? We want minus 2x square. So what should we multiply by x? We get minus 2x square. Yes, minus 2x. So minus 2x times minus 2x into x minus 2x square. We want same thing, same coefficient, same sign, same power. Minus 2x into plus 2, that is minus 4x. Sign change. First cancel out. Plus 4x plus 2x, 6x plus 4. Like term, always write the right term with the right term. We want 6x, here x, multiply by only 6. So what you get? 6 into x, 6 into 2, then again subtract, cancel, minus 8. The degree of minus 8 is 0 and this is 1. So the division will follow where the power is less than the divisor. Degree is less than the divisor. Otherwise, we divide again. But here the divide not possible because the degree is less. So it can be stopped. So what you get? That we get P of x means dividend, x cube plus 2x plus 4. G of x means divisor, that is x plus 2. Q of x, that means quotient, x square minus 2x plus 6. R of x, that is remainder, that is minus 8. The question also want verify that. Verify your result. So how you verify it? इसका पार्ट है. So for verification, first we write the formula: P of x, G of x, Q of x plus R of x. So we write the values of all four. P of x, x cube plus 2x plus 4. G of x, x plus 4. Q of x, x square minus 2x plus 6. R of x minus 8. Open all the brackets and you get left side is equal to right side. Okay, x multiplying x square, x cube minus 2x square plus 6x plus 4x square minus 8x plus 24 minus 8, same as x cube, same as minus 2x square and plus 4x square. I think we checked again. Sorry, it is the x plus 2. Sorry, we have to write this down. X plus 2. So change the values. That is 2x square, 4, and that is the 12. So 2x square cancel out. Plus का 2x plus का 4. That is equal, verified. You know how we identify them we are wrong? Because verification is always true. But for this mistake, it is not equal. So we check the solution. Because if it's not verified, that means the question is not wrong. You are wrong. That verification is always true. So that is the division algorithm. Note down. Pause the video. Then see this question. Same. We take one more examples for algorithm. Check x square plus 3x plus 1 is a factor of this. In class 9 polynomials, you have to remember factor means give remainder 0. If remainder 0, that means it is a factor. So means for proving factor, we find the remainder and the remainder comes 0. Okay. So let's see. X square plus 3x plus 1 divides 3x is power 4 plus 5x cube minus 7x square plus 2x plus 2. How many times? 3x square times. So what you get? 3x is power 4. That is this multiplied by first term, second term, third term. All the terms. That is 9x cube, like terms. 3x square, like terms. Always write down with the like terms. First term always cancel out as usual. Minus 9 plus 5. This sign will take it, not this. Minus 9 plus 5, that is minus 4x cube. That is minus 10x square plus 2x plus 2 is same as. Then we want minus 4x cube. Minus 4x cube, that means minus 4 x. So minus plus minus 4x cube minus 4x into plus 3x minus 12x square minus 4x plus 1 minus 4x plus sign change. Not use always negative sign. Plus 2 change minus, minus 2 change plus. Always cancel out. Here, that is the 2x square. This is 6x plus 2. Then we want 2x square. Here only x square. So then by 2 times 2x square, 2 3, 6x, 2 1 ja 2, change the sign, means subtracting, cancel out, remainder will be 0, means r of x equal to 0. If the remainder becomes 0, so yes, x cube plus 3x plus 1 is the factor of p of x. Okay? Pause the video, note down. We take one more examples. Find all the zeros of the polynomial x to the power 4 plus x cube minus 23x square minus 3x plus 60 if two of its zeros are root 3 and minus root 3. This is one of the most important topic of this chapter. It means you can say that in every year board examination it's come at least 3 marks or 4 marks question. Every year. So I'm not saying same question, these types of question. So how we solve it? Let's see. 2 zeros given, that means 2 value of x given. Both are the value of x because both are the factors. So we can make the factor x minus root 3, x plus root 3. If these two are the factors of the given polynomial, so the product of this also the factor. So what's the product? A minus b, a plus b, a square minus b square. So you get x square minus 3. Means x square minus 3 is also factor of p of x. Suppose that is the p of x. If this is a factor, so when p of x is divided by this, it gives remainder 0. If it not gives remainder 0, that means question is not right, wrong. Your solving is wrong and mistake. X square minus 3. Because it is given that is the factor, just zeros. By mistake, any misprint, doesn't matter, different matter. So divide how many times? X square times. X square means x to the power 4 minus 3x square. So we write down with 3x square with minus 23x square because like terms. Change the sign. Plus change to minus, minus change to plus, that is cancel out. X cube, thus only the sign change in the base, not the initial. The products you get whose sign is changed. Here minus 20x square because minus 23 or plus 3. Minus 20x square minus 3x plus 60. Then plus x times because we want x cube. So x into x square, that is x cube. X into minus 3 minus 3x, change the sign, cancel both. कोई बात नहीं. What remain? 20x square plus 60. Then we want minus 20x square. Which multiply? Minus 20. So minus 20 in x square, minus 20 into minus 3, that is plus 60. Change the sign. Remainder we get 0. So yes, it is a factor because we want all the zeros. We want all the zeros of the factor. So p of x, factorize them. What factor this? This is equal to x square minus 3. Wait, dividend equal to divisor into quotient. X square plus x minus 20 plus remainder 0. So doesn't matter. What is this? This is already factorized form. X plus root 3, x minus root 3. From here, this factorize this. So we factorize them. What you get? X square plus का 5x minus का 4x. So between these two terms, x plus root 3, x minus root 3. Here x common, x plus 5 minus 4 common, x plus 5. I think I have no problem to visibility. X plus root 3, x minus root 3. Here x plus 5 common, x minus 4 common. It's a factorized form of this. Factorized form of this. But don't leave the here. It's not answer. It's only factorized form. We want the zeros. So, 2 zeros already given. These two factors make the zeros. X plus 5 is equal to 0. That means x equal to minus 5. X minus 4 equal to 0. So, x equal to 4. So, right, all zeros, that is root 3 minus root 3, all zeros. 2 zeros already given and 2 zeros minus 5 and 4. That's your answer. I hope so you understand. It's a very important questions. So if you don't understand, so see again how we solve this and take another example, try yourself. Okay.